what happens when we multiply the same number over and over again? For example, if I multiply 2 into 2, this is 4. If I multiply 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. Similarly, if I multiply 2 with itself 4 times, it is 60. Now, this is a bit tedious way, quite a long way of writing it. And mathematicians, they love shortcuts. So, instead of writing it as 2 into 2, they came up with a new way of writing it in the exponential form. So, this can be written as 2 raised to the power 2, which means that 2 is multiplied to itself 2 times. Now, this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 and this can be written as 2 raised to power 4. Let's have a close look at this notation. Over here, 2 is the base and the power to which it is raised to is called the index or the exponent. Now, when we write 2 raised to power 4, we know that this actually signifies that 2 is being multiplied to itself 4 times and its expanded form is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, over here, this 2 is a constant. All the numbers 2, 5, 7, 8, 11, they are all constants. What if I replace this constant with a variable, for example, x? So, now x raised to power 4 would also mean the same thing, that is x into x into x into x. That means x is multiplied to itself 4 times. Similarly, y raised to power 3 would mean that y is multiplied to itself 3 times and its expanded form is actually y into y into y, right? Also, if there is some variable which has a power of 1, now this means a is multiplied to itself 1 time, which is nothing but a. So, if we have any variable which does not have a power, it actually means that it has a power of 1. Okay. So, now let's take another example. Let's look at one algebraic expression 2 into a raised to power 3. Now, over here, what is the base? Is 2a the base or a is the base? So, over here, a is the base and 3 is the exponent. 2 over here is actually the coefficient. So, if I just want to express this as a product of its prime factors, I will write it as 2 into, since a has a power of 3, so I will multiply a with itself 3 times, a into a into a. Similarly, if we want to do the opposite, we have this form and we have this expanded form and I want to express it in the exponential form. So, let's count the number of x. We have 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4z. So, we will write it as x raised to power 2 multiplied to z raised to power 4. So, this is a exponential form. Now, if we have this 7 into x is multiplied 10 times and to p is multiplied 5 times. So, we can write it as 7 into x raised to power 10 into p raised to power 5. This becomes our exponential form.